Hello, good afternoon. I'm here to present some awards for the Underclassmen Awards banquet that we didn't get to have. So I have 30 awards to present. These are for students in my physics and chemistry classes that had a 90% or higher for all 9 weeks. So if you're not on this list, it just means you didn't get a 90% or higher all 9 weeks. It doesn't mean that I don't think you tried. It doesn't mean that I don't care about you. It doesn't mean that I don't love you, because I do. It just means you didn't get a 90% or higher. So these 30 people had 90% or higher all 9 weeks. And so I have their names. I'll just read them off. And then I will send you these certificates. Instead of just reading your names, I'm going to read the nicknames that I would call you behind your back, because that makes it a little more interesting. But here we go. We'll start with chemistry. First one, Ava, let me ask you a question. Next, Emily, sometimes I nap on the sofa, sometimes I nap on the couch. Okay, not every hit is a home run. Lydia, think we will ever get back to school? I'm doubting it right now. Get it? Jenna, this coronavirus, I'm so Everett. Okay. Brooke, how close are we to the beach? Nearly or farly? Good one, huh? Emma, check the oil, tire pressure, and brake lights. She is gassed and ready to go. See? Genius. Not having enough cookies is a travesty, Judson. See? T stands for trouble. Havoc. My least favorite New York City borough is Staten Island. Okay, moving along into fourth period. Keaton, don't leave the cake in too long or you'll burn it. Luke forgot to bring the plans for the Death Star to Julia. Everett, you know what I mean? To Julia. Get it? To Julia. Trent, hail to the chief. Faith, what's a seabird that always votes no? A nagel. Get it? Votes nay. And it's a bird, like a gull. Get it? Griffin, Mr. So much that he writ her a letter. Ashley, cheetahs don't roar, they chirp. Doesn't seem possible, but it's true though. Google it. Annabelle rings and an angel gets its wings. Hadley. Caleb, a lion, a giraffe, and an elephant are my favorite zoo animals. Lily, I'm not a joke, more of a riddle. Xander, I'm usually quiet, but sometimes I can be very vocal. In the Civil War, you kept your head down to avoid the high gun. It was much harder to avoid the Logan Young. Pretty good. Those are all the chemistry awards. Let's move on to physics. Sam, far off I hear the crowing of the cocks, and through the opening door that time unlocks, feel the fresh breathing of tomorrow creep. I think that's a good one for you. Carissa, you say goodbye, but I say hello. Hello, hello. I don't know why you say goodbye, I say hello. Brock, can a D on your transcript keep you out of college? Very pertinent question for you. How much have I missed you? More than you'll ever know. Waltz. How many elixir does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop? Will it? Should I put down linoleum in the bathroom or should I Tyler? Hubbard. Look both ways before you cross the street. Johnson. Faith Malone is nearly paid off, so we can go on vacation after all. I could really go for a good peanut butter and jelly Sammy, Pete Traits. I love s'mores because they are so chocolatey and marshmallowy willet. And the last one, I like Happy and Sneezy, but Grumpy and Maddie are my least favorite dwarfs. Wood. So thank you for all your hard work this year. I appreciate it. I miss you. I love you. Good night.